This is Rust Bucket Garage. Today I'm going to do a review on the Harbor Freight Bauer planer. This planer was on sale for about $3.49. Let's see what it can do. Today I'll be planing down some leftover hardwood boards from work. They're maple and cherry. They range from 1 1/4 to 3/4 of an inch. That nice piece of cherry there will make a nice rustic shelf. Let's get started. Boards turned out pretty nice. I'd recommend this planer to about anybody. Just starting off with a wood shop or doing things around the house. It's well worth the money. We bought this planer for the purpose of planing down reclaimed barn board, making rustic furniture, and other things to sell at the flea market. On the plus side, we can reuse all these shavings for our chickens, which I would recommend for any homesteader.
Adiós.